ShaderFrog is a WebGL shader editor that lets you design shaders without writing code. ShaderFrog lets you create visual effects by composing two or more shaders together and tweaking their parameters. You can build a complex effect out of simple components. You can then export your shader for use in your THREE.js game or application. Let's take a closer look. WebGL is an open standard technology that lets a programmer create a 3D scene in the browser. It can run on Android, iOS, tablet, laptop, desktop, and any device with a modern browser. That means you can write one codebase in JavaScript and deploy a 3D application to multiple platforms. Every object you see in a WebGL 3D scene is drawn with a computer program called a shader. Shaders essentially tell the computer how to shade a 3D object. They can create a wide variety of effects, from textures to animation to reflection to procedural noise and so on. ShaderFrog gives you a repository of user-generated content, so you have a variety of effects to choose from. For example, this shader creates an animated disco texture. Let's say you want to include it in your game, but it's missing something. Wouldn't it be better if it were on fire? With ShaderFrog, simply search until you find another shader that you like. Selecting it composes the two shaders together. You can tweak the parameters of the input shaders to create the exact effect that you want. Now you can export this new shader to your 3D game or application. That's it. What will you create?